Welcome to my channel. Talktalk router login. How to log in to Talktalk router. 1. Open a browser and type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. 2. Enter the username and password and click Login. 3. You will be logged in to Talktalk router settings. How to change Talktalk Wi-Fi password and network name. 1. Log into the router admin page. 2. Select Customize my wireless network. 3. Enter the Wi-Fi network name in the wireless 2.4 GHz SSID and wireless 5 GHz SSID, if enabled, field. 4. Enter the Wi-Fi password in the wireless password field. 5. Click Save. Thank you for watching.